Hey guys, we're here at the Vision West charity toy run for kids. It's just getting started now, all the public's just come in, and we'll go for a wander around all the cars, see what we got here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we'll start off. Nice little mini.
Yeah, it's nice mini here.
I enjoyed 58 Chevy.
Yep, back a bit. 1958 Chevy. Nice looking car.
We had to bury Jews, yeah. Sorry.
These cars you might know, you've seen them at the Oratia Bowling Club. This is most of everyone from the Oratia Bowling Club turned up today. Really nice turnout of cars, some ones you've probably never seen before. These ones you probably know quite well. These ones you mightn't have seen.
From Palmerston North.
This one's from Palmerston North. Is Model A, is it?
Yeah, Model A Sports Coupe.
Model A Sports Coupe, nice. Okay, this special one, do you want to give us a rundown of this beauty?
Oh, this is this one come from America a few years ago. It was built up in the Boyd Coddington workshop. Used to be owned by the guy Dan that used to work there. It's got a 502 cubic inch Chevy in it. All steel, original body, resto rod. Got a Tremac 5-speed. Real nice car. Probably one of the nicest 32 coupes in the country.
Yeah, it's a beautiful looking car, isn't it?
Yeah. Crown Victoria. Yeah.
One. 55 Crown Victoria. So yeah, Boyd Coddington's car's a lovely one, isn't it?
Oh yeah. I'd buy it if I had the money.
Yeah, I'll bet. Some goodies here. What we got here? What's this?
Oh, nice L34 Plymouth sedan.
Nice. Nice one, this one. So what's this one?
It's over 55 or 6 Ford.
Very cool.
It's an import, you can drive. Dave's 38 sedan.
And there's our rat catcher.
2 Grants, 30 not 40 pickups. Yeah, rat catcher.
Rat catcher. Yeah. There's Snap in the back.
Snap's in the back. Hello, Snap.
Hello, Snap. Here he is
Hello,
again.
Snap. You're not snapping today.
No, it's too hot, isn't it?
Of course, we've got the 454 in this one.
Beast, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a beast.
What we got here?
Nice little flathead, fin heads, twin carbs. Nice little setup.
Nice. Panorama of all the cars. Really nice turnout of cars here today.
Convertible.
Nice. So you want to tell us about this thing?
Yeah, the interesting Model A Roadster here. It's got a Lincoln Zephyr V12 in it. You don't see often in a hot rod. Most of them have got V8s. It's equipped with all the Hogan speed equipment, finned heads and triple carb. It's quite rare. So that's a real hot rod's worth the difference.
Yes, it is.
Chassis. Yeah. And then throwing a body on it. Yeah.
Now we're coming into more modern vehicles.
A few Mustangs and stuff along here.
Everything from old skulls to Tesla. Don't know why that's here.
Probably so it can flap its wings.
This is nice.
Alright. Firebird.
We've got the Beamers. Good selection of cars here today.
Yeah, a bit of everything.
You can come. Just come back to that.
Let's give the keys to the Mustangs off one somebody green on the Mustang.
It does, doesn't it?
That's good.
Oh no, that's nice white. That'll be a mission to keep clean.
Yeah.
Nice Mustang. Holden.
Yeah.
Yeah, like sometimes I was like another
Alright, well,
Okay.
see what we've got over the back here.
Yeah, there's a few more around the front. And they certainly looked after all the car owners today. A pile of food and drinks for everybody.
We'll actually get a
Been a good day.
picture of all the
Free
facilities.
sausages.
And this is a charity run for Vision West for the kids. Here's the table of donations for the children. Real nice selection of toys for the kids. Very important.
And a tent full of food for the car owners.
Yep. Oh, someone's alarm's going off. So we got the Toyota Club here.
Mercedes Club.
Mercedes Club. Nice. Now these are the ones I want to see.
Night Rider.
We got Kit, Knight Rider, and we got Back to the Future DeLorean here today as well. Have a good look at these.
There's a
God, it's all literally kitted out.
it is kitted out, isn't it?
Don't mind the pun. So yeah, this one over here is just a standard DeLorean.
DeLorean, stainless steel body.
Mm.
Yeah, they're all stainless.
Ah,
Plenty of parts for them too available in America. A whole warehouse full of parts for these.
well, oh, that's not too bad.
And what else we got here?
Porsche.
Porsche.
So we all the Toyotas now.
Yeah.
I got a 12 month.
Yeah, got some flashy lights on that one. That's pretty much it, really.
Yeah.
I don't know, but they came to the
These are all dressed up with a bit of decoration.
Yeah, it's all Christmas.
Must be looking for the prize, best prize.
Yeah, all cars are on display, and also
Prize for best.
yeah, prize for the best dressed. And, yeah, it's the Grinch car.
very cold. And it's got even a story at the back. I look at the back of the story.
So you're not going to beat the shit out of each other with them? Hope not.
Oh, well, that's pretty much it, really.
Yeah.
So thanks again for watching, guys. This is the Vision West charity toy run for kids. Hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more car videos coming in the future. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.